All right, y'all. I'm a curious cat. I have a turbo car. So I want to find out what Jenny sounds like without her filter on. Now, don't worry. I have everything kind of preventative done. So let's start her on up. I also threw the vlog playback on just so we can get more students in the do. Whatever. Yo, do y'all see how bad my motor mounts are, bro? Oh my gosh. This is the air filter I'm rocking. I kind of cheaped out. I'm not gonna lie. This was like the first like major performance mod I did to Jenny. All right, bro. She's all warmed up. All right, here we go. All's good. We been had that check engine light. Y'all watch the videos. Y'all know where it's from. Bottom line, it's a little louder, a little more responsive, just a little bit, and the studio dudes are still got shit.